Hi you guys, my name is Stevetta and I wanted to give a testimonial video about Forex and tell you a little bit about my experience coming from the free course program and transferring over to the VIP course, which has been amazing and I absolutely love it. So I was introduced to this program by a good friend of mine. She is also a VIP member and I immediately hopped on and took the training and jotted down my notes, and from that moment it was an absolute must that I had to become a VIP member. So I purchased the program and I absolutely just love it. I love it. I love it. So I have some questions I'm going to ask, and hopefully I'm going to give you answers to them, and then hopefully I will be able to help you all with this decision. So let's get to it. So the first question is, what were you struggling with prior to taking this program? And for me, I was struggling trying to find a job, but not only a job, I wanted to find something I can do working from home. And I just couldn't find anything. I needed something where I could be consistent, and I'm a busy person, so it just wasn't helping me at all. So that's why I'm glad Forex was introduced to me, because it actually fits in my busy schedule. So the second question is, what results has this program helped you produce? And for me, it's helped me produce motivation, determination, and staying focused. Trusting my analysis along the way is really most important, and that's what I have learned. And having like a lot of patience. You need a lot of patience with this. So, all right, so the third question is, what would you tell people that are on the fence purchasing this program? And I would say I highly recommend, well, first I would say try out the course first and see if it's for you. And if it is for you, I highly recommend that you purchase the VIP program. You will absolutely love it, and it is worth it. You will, this is something you won't regret at all. Becoming a VIP member has been like a life-changing experience for me, and I'm very, very thankful that I did do it, and you will reap the benefits of it. So definitely, after the free course, come on over and transfer over to the VIP. It's great support. The team is amazing. Jess is amazing. A lot of patience, answer any kind of questions you have, and it's like the exclusiveness. A lot of information that you will get. So, and the fourth question, last but not least, anything else I would like to add? And I just want to add that it's been such a blessing for me, and I'm so happy and so thankful that I said yes to Jess. So on that note, all I could say is say yes to Jess. Say yes to Jess. And I hope I was able to answer some of you all questions. And all I can say is it's absolutely worth it. Becoming a VIP member is worth it. You will love the team. Everybody is very supportive and helping each other with any kind of questions they have or anything like that. And you reach out to anybody, somebody is there for the most part all the time to answer your question. So, but I want to thank everybody for taking the time to watch my testimony video, and I hope I was able to help you guys on making this big decision, and I hope to see y'all on the VIP side. So until then, say yes to Jess, and I hope everybody have a blessed one. Take care. Bye.